Understanding virtual stand-up meetings.
Virtual stand-up meetings are short, daily check-ins held online to keep remote teams aligned. They're designed to share progress, identify blockers, and foster collaboration. Organized well, they help boost transparency and productivity, making them essential for distributed teams. Let's explore the key steps to ensure your virtual stand-ups are effective and time-efficient.
Step 1. Set a clear schedule and agenda.
Choose a consistent time that works across time zones for your team. Keep the meeting brief, usually 15 minutes or less. Prepare a simple agenda, typically covering 3 points: what team members did yesterday, what they plan to do today, and any obstacles they're facing. A clear structure helps everyone stay focused and prepared.
Step 2. Select the right tools.
Use reliable video conferencing and chat tools like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Slack to host your stand-up. Consider shared documents or digital boards to track individual updates and action items. Ensuring everyone is comfortable with the chosen technology minimizes disruptions and lets the team concentrate on collaboration and problem-solving.
Step 3. Encourage participation and accountability.
Ask each team member to share their update concisely, either by speaking or typing in the chat, if internet issues arise. Rotate facilitators to keep meetings fresh. Encourage openness about blockers so the team can offer support. Setting expectations for regular attendance and active contribution ensures everyone stays informed and connected.
Step 4. Follow up and iterate.
After each meeting, summarize key points and any action items in a shared space for easy reference. Regularly ask for team feedback on how to improve the format. Adapting your approach as the team's needs change will help maintain engagement and efficiency, making your virtual stand-ups a valuable part of your remote work routine.